In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the work drawing for the axle peg. So we're going to click on the plus sign, create drawing, NCA. Alright, so we're going to go to the axle peg, bring in our front view, bring in our top view, click on our front view, place in our isometric, and we are going to, let's see, where is it? Oh, use a section view for our right side. Alright, so from here we can do our kind of details where we show hide and show shaded. And then on this one, show hide, and then show hidden lines. So now we can see that part that's cut in. So from here, we can use the 2-point center line on our right side to place that in, and then we need to use our center mark at the top, and also for our arcs on the front view and the right side. Okay, so from here, I like to make sure that I fill in the title block. So we have axle peg for our title, and our part number is part 6. Alright, so there are some different ways to add in dimensions that you're not quite used to yet, so I'm going to go through those with you, and then the ones that I know you know how to do on your own, you're going to be doing on your own. So what we're going to do first is dimension the chamfer, so right here. So we're going to zoom in. So for the chamfer, you need to do these clicks in the proper order or else it confuses the system. So we need to click on this portion first, which is our chamfered edge, and then the reference edge, which is the bottom. So I'm going to zoom out and place it in right here. So when you're moving it around, sometimes the triangle just kind of vanishes, or the arrowhead vanishes, so try to make sure it shows up with the arrowhead. So you can look at this and see that it's kind of flipped in reverse from the way that I've been showing you in class, where I normally have the degree, then I have the distance, and it over here has distance, then degree. Either one is fine. I'm not sure why they chose it to do it in that way, but that's what we're doing. Alright, so the next one that I want to show you is how to place in the notation for the hole that we cut in. So in this program, there isn't a leader text tool, so instead we're going to have to add it in a little bit different. So we're going to use the note tool. Alright, so if you're wondering what I just placed in, I just had it in the clipboard so I can add it in quickly. So what this information is right here is this piece. It's just the information for showing you what this hex socket is. So we're going to use the line tool now to point from this note over, I want to make sure I'm getting it close enough, over to here. So I connected it to it. I would like there to be an arrow pointing there, but for some reason in this program for Onshape it seems to not have it. If somebody finds it, please let me know, but right now I can't find it. So that lets us know where our note, what it's referring to. And the other one will be right here with our thread. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the note. This time I'm just going to type it because I want you to see what happens. So this one is 1/4, and then when you hit space it changes it to like the 1/4 fraction. That's fine, you could just leave it as is. Dash 20 UNC X 1.00. Okay, so what this is referring to is the diameter is 1/4 inch, and then we have 20 threads per inch, unified national, and the thread is coarse, and the length is 1 inch. So just like before, we're going to use our line tool and point to our side right here. Oh, and by the way, I'm using the escape tool on the keyboard to back out of the line tool. Alright, so from here, let's see, zoom to sheet, there we go. So from here, there are still some dimensions you need to place in. So you have a whole bunch of these to place in still. Alright, but this one, and this one we already have placed in. So good luck on the other ones. Alright, so remember, finish adding all your dimensions. Alright, good luck.